Today we are going to study how to find the future value. The future value, it is the worth of an amount at a particular time in the future. Now let us study how to find the future value of a present sum. In the previous video, we have studied the formula to find present value. Present value is equal to future value divided by 1 plus I raised to n. So, the same formula can be used to find the future value also. Fv or the future value is equal to Pv into 1 plus I whole raised to n. That is, the denominator of the future value in the previous formula is taken to the left hand side and multiplied with the present value. Thus, we get the future value. So, we can find the formula for finding future value from the same formula that we have already studied in the previous video, that is the formula to find present value. So, future value is equal to present value into 1 plus I whole raised to n. PV is the present value, FV is the future value, I is the interest rate, and n is the number of periods. Now, this formula is the same as the formula to find amount in compound interest. That is, A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole raised to n. So, PV into 1 plus I whole raised to n is same as P into 1 plus R by 100 whole raised to n. Thus, we can understand that future value is the amount in the compound interest and present value is the principal in the compound interest. So, if we know the compound interest formula, we can find the future value as well as the present value. Now, let us take an example. If you put rupees 1000 in a savings account that pays 5% interest annually, but it is compounded daily, how much will be in the account after 10 years? What are things are given in the question? First of all, it is given that if you put rupees 1000 in a savings account, that means that is something done now. If you put rupees 1000, so 1000 is the present value. What other things are given? We are asked to find how much will this 1000 will be after 10 years. So n is 10 years. Now see, in the question it is given that it is compounded daily. When it is compounded daily, we have to multiply that n into 365 because when compounded daily in a year, there will be 365 times of compounding. Daily it is being compounded. So 365 times it is compounded in 10 years. Thus n becomes 10 into 365, that is 3650. Then what is I? It is 5% per annum. It is given in the question that it pays 5% interest annually. But when it is compounded daily, this 5% has to be divided with 365. Thus, I becomes 0.000137. So, these many things are given in the question. From this, we have to find how much will be in the account after 10 years. Thus, we apply the formula Fv is equal to Pv into 1 plus I whole raised to n. Fv is to be found out. Pv is 1000 and I is also given. So, 1000 into 1 plus 0.000137 whole raised to 3650. And the answer is 1648.7. That means if we invest 1000 rupees in this particular account mentioned in the question and the interest is compounded daily at 5% per annum basis, then after 10 years, there will be 1648.7 rupees in the account. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, subscribe the channel.